In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter contacts in Freshsales easily and efficiently. Whether you're managing leads or simply want to organize your contacts more effectively, learning how to filter through them can save you a significant amount of time and streamline your workflow. Let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser. Once you've got that open, navigate to the search bar and type in Freshsales. This should bring up the Freshsales website in your search results. Go ahead and click on it to access the site. With Freshsales open, you'll need to log into your account. You know the drill. Enter your login credentials, making sure everything is spelled correctly. You don't want to be locked out just because of a typo. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Next, we're going to navigate to the Contacts tab. You'll usually find this tab in the main menu area, or sometimes it's right at the top. Give it a click, and this will bring you to the Contacts section where all your contact data is neatly organized. Now it's time to set up your filters. Look for the Filters option. It should be somewhere on the screen, often in the form of a button or link that's easy to spot. Click on it to open the filtering panel. You'll notice this panel slides open on the right side of your screen, giving you access to a range of filtering options. In the Filter panel, you'll notice there's a list of available fields you can use to filter your contact list. This is where the real magic happens. You'll have several fields to choose from, such as Sales Owner, Life Cycle Stage, Status, and Territory. Each of these options represents different criteria you might need to consider depending on what your specific goals are. Now, you'll need to set your specific criteria for the selected filters. So, think about what you're really looking for. Maybe it's contacts handled by a particular sales owner, or perhaps contacts within a particular territory. Once you've set your criteria, take a moment to double-check them to ensure everything is exactly how you want it. Once your criteria are set, the final step is to apply these filters. Locate the Apply button. Usually, it's right there within the filter panel. Clicking this will now filter your contact list, showing you only the contacts that match the criteria you've set. You should immediately see a refined list of contacts that perfectly fits what you're searching for. And there you have it. Filtering contacts in Freshsales is a powerful way to manage your data efficiently, providing you with the precise information you need without any hassle. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we encourage you to delve further into the tools available to you for even greater productivity.